Hello, I'm Shikha Yadav. You're watching Agri Business News. Let's start with the latest update. Krishi Jagran has organized a live session on need of financial literacy amongst farmers as a part of its Jai Kisan Jai Vigyan Week. MC Dominic, founder and editor-in-chief of Krishi Jagran and Agriculture World, addressed the guests and started the webinar. Ashish Agarwal, president and head agri-business of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Co Limited, and Rajat Dhar, director of Indian Investors Federation, were among the eminent speakers.
We give financial literacy to the investors, big corporates, big people who have money to invest, who have money to spend. There we spend more time on financial literacy campaign and give them the information how it can be better utilized. But I think today the need is that those who do not have much money, minimum money, how they can utilize that, make them literate, how that best efficiently can be utilized or managed. I think that will be the best financial guidance or literacy we can think of. And when we can think of bringing the marginalized people into that team, that effect, I think the growth of India will be in tremendous.
Thank you so much. मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आपने मुझे ये मौका दिया कि जितना हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ला सकते हैं आप लोगों के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन जो आपके लिए किसी तरह से कार्यरत सिद्ध हो। नाउ अब अगर देखिए मैं जिस बात को लूंगा मैं एक दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से लूंगा। हम लेंगे कि किसान के लिए हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है। फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी अपने में कोई टॉपिक नहीं होता है। फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी एक टूल है, एक साधन है जिसके तहत हम समृद्ध हो सकते हैं। इट इज अ टूल, इट इज नॉट एन ऑब्जेक्टिव। ये कोई एक ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है, तो टूल है। तो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? अगर हम सीधी बात करें, हम कहते हैं कि डबल द फार्मर इनकम। तो अगर चलो हम इसको मान लेते हैं जिसमें सारे के सारे किसान भाई लोग हिंदुस्तान के आ जाते हैं कि भाई हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है टू डबल द फार्मर इनकम। लेकिन अगर किसान अपने पैसे को ठीक से समावेश ना करे, निवेश ना करे, बचाए नहीं, तो ऑब्वियसली वो अपनी इनकम को डबल नहीं करेगा, चाहे जितनी भी टेक्नोलॉजी लगा ले, कुछ कर ले, क्योंकि पैसा सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल नहीं होगा।
सर मैं अपना बहुत ही छोटे इसमें बताना चाहूंगा इसमें कि फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी क्या है। फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी जब तक मैं समझता हूं, इट इज नथिंग बट मनी मैनेजमेंट। हाउ टू अर्न मनी, हाउ टू स्पेंड मनी, हाउ टू सेव मनी, वेयर टू स्पेंड, हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट, ऑल दिस कम्स अंडर financial literacy, and this is important for all of us, not only for the farmers but mainly for those who have very irregular flow of income। मतलब जिनकी की इनकम का कोई फिक्स फ्लो नहीं होता है। जैसे हम एक सैलरीड एम्प्लॉय हैं, पता होता है कि हमें एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ वी आर गोइंग टू गेट सैलरी, बट किसानों के लिए वो संभव नहीं है। They get the income only once they're sold their produce in the market, and that too it's very uncertain.
On 25th December 2021, Krishi Jagran will inaugurate their new digital center, where many eminent personalities and well-known stalwarts from agriculture industry are invited. The chief guest of the event is Indian farmer Rahibai Soma Popore of Maharashtra, also known as the seed mother of India. Agrovision, which has been organized by Agrovision Foundation from 24 to 27 December 2021, commenced today at Reshim Bagh Ground, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Krishi Jagran visited the expo, which is a common platform for the farmers, industry and government, and brings together every important entity in agriculture to create a better future for the farmers. Syntech Research Group has appointed Yonik Jamban as its new CEO effective January 1st, 2022, after Dr. Khosrow Khodairi informed the board of directors of his wish to relinquish the position. Dr. Francis Lacrosse, chairman of the board of directors, said Khosrow understood the need for the agrochemical industry to focus on their core expertise and subcontract a part of their R&D. Thanks to his great energy and leadership, he has been successful in building one of the global AGCRO leaders with operations in the Americas, Europe and Asia. Greenco Group, a leading global Indian company in energy transition, has been ranked third in the prestigious Top 100 Green Utilities Annual League Table prepared by Energy Intelligence, an independent US consulting firm specializing in energy markets. Greenco is the first Indian company to break into the top 10 of the coveted listing, which recognizes companies leading in the transition to a low-carbon future. B2B e-commerce marketplace for food and grocery products Jumbo Tail has raised USD 85 million in funding led by Artel Asia Private Limited, an affiliate of Invest. Ashish Jina, co-founder and COO of Jumbo Tail, said we will continue to invest aggressively to make Jumbo Tail the preeminent destination for food and grocery brands to reach the overwhelming majority of India's consumers through our pan-India network of Kirana partners. Ag-focused consumer brand Agos has raised $3.5 million in Series A funding, led by Now Ventures, a venture capital fund anchored by NABARD. Abhishek Negi, co-founder of Ego, said in the past 4 years we have developed our quality integration model and are now poised for rapid growth. The support of Now Ventures and existing investors Avana and Rebright will help propel the next phase of growth. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated IRRI's new state-of-the-art speed breeding facility at IRRI South Asia Regional Center. Dr. Sudhanshu Singh, director of ICARC, said, "We are delighted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated our new speed breeding facility, which is a revolutionary leap forward in ICARC's capabilities and technological capacity." For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.